And we are back at it again, folks. I just want to show you this amazing outdoor landscape transformation that we got going on. This is going to be a beautiful three-piece covered paver patio. It's probably going to be one of the best you've seen all year because it has an elegant design that we had to create that goes with the natural landscape. And that's just going to give the customer the ultimate landscape experience. This is what we do best. This is what we've been known for. And so as you begin to see this, I hope that it gives you some ideas on some of the ways in which you can begin to utilize your landscape as well. Now, as you can see, we have an existing deck, but up under that deck, we also have the opportunity to put in this beautiful paver patio. It's going to complement the landscape extremely well, and it's also going to do a great job in giving the customer an outdoor living experience that they can dream of. That's right, folks. At Brooks Landscape, we're going to give you more than that of what's expected always. And so this is the beginning process of this beautiful outdoor landscape transformation that we're going to be putting together that also encompasses a beautiful paver patio, over 300 square feet this landscape will be, and it's also going to have a little bit of a seat wall here that's going to just complement the landscape in the most exceptional fashion. And it definitely says that if you're in a position and you're looking for an opportunity to deal with your existing landscape, I tell you, we're going to go where the bobcat can't go, and most importantly, we're going to give you a solution that can't be found anywhere else around. That is why we become the highest rated landscaping company around, because we're dedicated and focused on providing you, the customer, with the absolute best outdoor landscape transformation possible. That's exactly what you're seeing take place right now. Within a matter of an hour or so, we're going to have all of this area prepared in order to start putting in our pavers. But then most importantly, you're going to see the finished product. So I just wanted to come to you live really quick so that you can see what we got going on. And then more importantly, you can see for yourself some of the ways in which you can begin to take back your landscape, because as you can see, this customer definitely has an access point from their basement to their backyard, but definitely hadn't done anything up under the patio or up under the porch. And so with this beautiful custom paver patio, we're really going to be able to give this customer a lot more than that of what they could have ever dreamed, as that's what we do here best, turn dreams into reality, and we make dirt look good. So I just wanted to let you guys see this beautiful outdoor landscape transformation that's taking place, the beginning stages, day one of this outdoor landscape transformation. It's gonna be amazing. So stay tuned, folks, as we get ready to show you exactly how we put together a beautiful custom paver patio that accommodates the landscape in the most exceptional fashion, adding that return on your value. That's right, you're going to get a return on your investment. Your property value is going to go up because you're providing your potential buyer with an outdoor living experience. And then the most important thing is that you get to enjoy it yourself. And so that's one of the thought processes that this customer had in mind, is that they not only were going to be able to utilize it when they got ready to sell their home, they're going to be comforted in knowing that this is going to be able to act as a standalone piece within the outdoor landscaping industry, within the entire landscape. And so anytime you can add value to your landscape, it's almost as if you're adding an extra room to your basement. You're going to get that much value. So I just wanted to show you where we were at. We're bringing our crusher run in now. It won't take us long to get that out. As you can see, it's already moving in an exceptional fashion. But then we're going to start laying those custom paver. Then you'll see that these pavers are probably some of the prettiest that you found. It's from one of our biggest distributors. I was about to say Belgard. We use them a lot, but it's actually a Tremron piece. So as you see this three-piece Tremron come together, I know it's going to make sure that it wows you. But more importantly, we want you to know that if you got a friend or family member, make sure you tell them about us so that we can come out and give them the same type of solution. Once again, Greg Brooks, Brooks Landscaping, your full-service landscaping company, always focus on providing you, the customer, with an outstanding and detailed landscape transformation. And as you know, there are three things that you can always count on when concerning Brooks Landscaping. Is that we're always going to be affordable, dependable, and most importantly, are guaranteed. So stay tuned, folks, as we get ready to show you the before and after of this beautiful outdoor custom paver patio, brought to you right here by the professionals at Brooks Landscape.